Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Linux Sling. Okay, this time I try to keep the camera as steady as possible with slow movement, improving a bit on my camera work. Okay, we have the first printing of this multicolor Voron cube, and so far it's been going through a few layers and everything looks good except for some stringing, and it's because of the filament. Those are very old filaments, so as you can see here from the prime line also, the filament quality ain't very good, but it's printing, and maybe I will do the flow and PA calibration as well, temperature as well, so that we can get the perfect temp. But everything looks to be printing very well, as you can see here. Let me show you, and I think it's about to do a tool change. Let me go slowly or from the front so that you can see the tool change. And there are few bugs in BTC clipper that I found, but we have managed to solve it. So now it's working perfectly, everything. Even I have changed all the print start and print end macro as well, so that it perform as what it should, as what I want it to do, the routine, everything. So everything looks perfect now. Is print. This is the first test print, so we're going to see how the quality is after I did the nozzle offset calibration with Intai yesterday. The last stream. So I will tell you a few things that I did changes to this Linux Sling, but I think if this managed to finish print, then I think it will be ready. Just need to do some minor touch-ups. Okay, so here are the things that I want to do, some changes that I want to do. As you can see that the umbilical is still too long, that when it loops it's almost touching the tools on the dock. So the umbilicals need to be shorter a bit, just a smaller arc. So I want to change that. Number one, smaller arc for the umbilical. There's no problem, it still can print fine, but I'm afraid it might affect the input shaper, everything, and also especially with the filaments at the back here, it affects the input shaper. Input shaper I'm getting about, the first time I did input shaper only for X, because I don't have the external ADXL. I have, but I'm too lazy to put it in the bed of the Linux Sling, and also need to connect to the MCU. So I just did the input shaper for X, and it was getting first time 2000, then after I did some changes 2004, so it's not very good. I will see what is the cause of it, and that's basically it, the speed. But I didn't change the input shaper inside. I didn't change the values inside. I just leave it be first. That's number one. And number two, previously there's a few times that when it tries to travel in Z, it skips steps. So what I did was I put a fan on the MCU. So it's maybe because the MCU is getting hotter and it's losing power, so I put a fan there. Now it managed to travel everything, do all the movement, everything without any skipping steps, everything. And also it could be due to the motor. This is a very old motor, no brand motor. As you can see, it's very cheap, no brand motor. So if Jason can Jason, if you can send over the motors for this, would be really greatly appreciated. Previously I thought the slim motor doesn't work, but the first time that we do Linux Sling, it works. But I'm not very sure, is it because of this extrusion length, the dock length is too long, or what? There's some problem. But as I said before, it may be due to the MCU overheating. So now everything looks great, looks perfect, works even with the slim motors. So, and what I'm going to do next is, as you can see, some of the nozzle blocker doesn't have any brush, and some I cut off from Tool Zero brush because I don't have any more nozzle brush. I will need to get that. And also, as you can see here in this inside this extrusion there's a cable from the what's this, micro switch and stop here. There's a micro switch and stop here, cabling going down. So I'm going to transfer everything to the side here, so it will be inside the side here, so that I can install the LEDs along the other side showing to the bed, so to light up the bed, the LEDs. That also I will do. And here I'm going to show you the spool. So the spools are all mounted here and all works very well, all are working fine. So this spool arrangement is working as intended, so it's good there. We can leave it like that. Everything else works, no problem. I think that's it for this video. We will see at the end of the video the result of the cube, and we see what we need to do with the calibration of the hot ends, and also the pressure advance, and also flow calibration. We will see. Alright, so stay tuned to the end of the video.
One eternity later.
Hello guys, okay, so the print has finished. Honestly, this is the second print from just now when I record the first part of the video. That one failed because of communication error. I guess one of the connectors on the USB hub came loose, because it's very loose, so maybe it's vibrating and then it's disconnected. But I reprint again and we managed to finish, but looking at it, I see the quality is not so good. Okay, as you can see, I need to calibrate the flow and also the pressure advance as well, and there's a bit of stringing here, so I need to tune the temperature also. But it managed to finish the print. And the black filament also isn't very nice, as you can see here. Wait, let me see. Yeah, so I will need to maybe try another filament. These filaments are all very old filaments, the black one, the blue ones. So I will try to change a different filament and we see how it goes. But everything looking good. Print managed to finish, and after the calibration we will test print again and see how everything goes. So far everything works. This is the first one just now that finished because of the MCU communication error. So now it managed to finish very cleanly, and this is the prime tower as well. So everything looks good. Looks like this Linux Sling is a success, guys. So we'll see in the next video or the next stream how we do another print and we can finalize the project. I think I will try to put LED. I will need to order LED, like I said, mention LED at the side pointing at the bed, so it can be clearly. And I need to plan the enclosure as well. So that's it, guys, for this video. Very short one. And do join our Discord, subscribe to the channel, give a like to the video, post your comments if you have any question, either in YouTube or in our Discord, and I'll be more than glad to answer your questions. And thanks to everyone for their support in this project. LDO, Triangle Lab, Cartographer, even JLC, Polymaker, thank you very much. Blue Rose for the initial dog slide development, that gives us the inspiration to do this. And everyone that's in the Discord community, Yoku, Iran House, Way to Do, who all the guys in Discord, thank you very much for your continuous support, and we will proceed this project again until it's finalized with the enclosure, everything, and then we can call the release the project as the base file. And also we will proceed next with our VisiBoard. We will remake our VisiBoard again. Alright, see you guys.